Hello children. Today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 8, Man the living machine. So children, let us open your textbook, page number 64 you open. Today we are going to learn now reading on the page number 64. The muscular system The muscles make the muscular system of our body. The bones in our body cannot move on their own. They have to be pulled by the muscles. There are around 650 muscles in our body. Okay. The circulatory system. The circulatory system of our body is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. This system is responsible for the transportation of blood to all the parts of the body. The heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body through big and small vessels. These blood vessels are of two types, the arteries and the veins. The arteries pump the blood from the heart. The veins bring the blood back to the heart. Okay, now we'll go for the nervous system. The nervous system controls all our actions like seeing, hearing, walking, crying, learning and smelling, etc. This system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. The brain is the master organ of our body. The nerves carry signals from the body to the brain and bring the desired instructions back for the body to act upon. This is how a nervous system works. The digestive system. The digestive system consists of mouth, stomach, small intestines, large intestines and anus. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. When we eat food, the food that we eat mixes with the salad in our mouth and becomes soft. Then this soft food goes into the stomach. Here it mixes with the digestive juice and further breaks down. After about 4-5 hours, the food goes into the small intestines. The digested food is taken in by the blood from here and carried to different parts of the body. The undigested food from here goes to the large intestine and then it is thrown out from the anus. The excretory system. The excretory system of our body is responsible for the removal of waste from the body. The main organ of this system are the bean-shaped kidneys. The waste is removed from our body in the forms of urine as well as sweat. Lungs also throw out the waste gas carbon dioxide CO2. The reproductive system. The reproductive system is responsible for producing babies of our own kind so that life keeps on going. Keywords: cell, it is a basic unit of a life. Tissues, it is a group of cells. Organ, it is a group of tissues. Organ system, it is known as a group of a organ. Flashback. Our human body works like a living machine. Different organ system works together to make the functioning of the body possible. Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. The various systems of our body help to carry out different functions.